Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is a 2013 Toyota RAV4 with some electrical issues on the door locks. It's not working when I put the unlock or lock. You see, just on the rear side is working, okay, but the both doors is not working. Okay, so some people ask me how can you disassemble the door panel. Okay, so let me show you. Just you need these tools, Torx. The Torx is the number, let me see, okay, focus right there, T30. 10mm socket, screwdriver, Phillips. Okay, and these tools is to remove the clips on the door panel. Okay, all right, so you have 3 screws, one right here, another here, and this one. Okay, and you can to remove this cover with your tool. Maybe if you have some screwdriver, okay, right there, you see this is one screw, and we have another 2 behind to this plastic. Okay, but you can use the plastic tools to remove the cover. Okay, right there. All right, 1, 2, and 3. And I recommend you that you disassemble first the master window switch right there. Okay, and this is our connector. Okay, and let me see, look, right here has a clip, because you need to push down. Damn, is broken. Somebody tried to disconnect that connector, but yeah, it's broken, look, but it's no problem. So okay, let me put the camera right here, because I need to use my both hands. Just push the pin right there. Yeah, look, and I already disconnect. Okay, okay, we're going to remove the 3 screws. 1, 2, and 3. And look guys, if you don't have this kind of tools to remove your door panel, it's more simple with this kind of tools. Okay, look, but if you put just your hand, your fingers behind to the door panel and push it out just with some force right there. Okay, behind to the door panel, you need to push it up this clip right here, this one. Okay, and another one right there. Okay, this. That's it. Okay, now we're going to remove the door lock actuator. Okay, all right, so we need this tool, the T30 Torx, 3 screws right there. Okay, we need to remove this one. Disconnect the connector. Okay, just one clip this side. And when your 10mm socket, disassemble here. Oh, and another thing, guys, that I forget to say, the window needs to be up, okay, all the time closed. Why? Because if it's down, you can't remove